Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to quickly optimize YouTube Shorts channel, upload and scale a new Shorts channel views. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just open up YouTube, and here you have to find out the trending niches in YouTube Shorts. So there are some trending niches like gadgets. Just type in gadgets and hashtag shorts, and I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Okay, so this is a very good niche. You could make videos on this niche as well. As you can see, it's getting a lot of views. The channel has almost 10 million views, and yeah, let me just sort by their most popular video. And as you can see guys, they are getting like 100, 200, 300 million views on videos. So it's a very popular niche. You could work on it. The second niche is top 10 videos like this. So I'm just going to type in top 10 hashtag shorts. You could find out topics like this. So as you can see, this is a great channel that you could replicate the content of. So I'm just going to open up shorts, and as you can see, you could make videos like top 10 richest celebrities, top 10 amazing places to visit in the world. So yeah guys, you could find niches like this. All you have to do is just replicate what other successful YouTube Shorts channels are doing, and this is how you scale a YouTube Shorts channel views and start a new successful YouTube Shorts channel. So if you found this video to be somewhat helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.